Welcome. My name is Dee Beck, and I am a travel advisor and Trello fan on a mission to help travel advisors level up their business using a free tool called Trello. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a free board. I want you to have it because I feel like it is such a great resource. Every travel advisor should have it. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you what it looks like, and I'm going to show you how you can make it your own and how you can continue to add to it. So, let's get into it. All right. We know in the travel advisor world that there are so many resources available to us, which is fantastic, but it's hard to keep track of that all. Enter Trello. Trello is such a great way to organize information, especially links. So, what we're looking at right now is this free board that I built for travel advisors called the Travel Agents Resource Board. Now, my first list here will explain everything for you. And then the lists start from there. Starting your business, you'll see each list then is organized by free resources. And then this is called a card in Trello World if you're new. Each card is actually a live link. So once you click on it, it actually just takes you straight to that resource. So in this example, this is a Facebook group that you can be a part of, and then you would choose to follow it, right? I also have resources that you can pay for, whether it's a membership or courses. Um, Marcy Minsterman's one that I love. Mexperts is a great one. I will say I have not vetted all of these, but I know that they are used quite a bit. So do your own research, and if it's a good fit for your business, then make that investment. But a lot of these are free. I talk about tools for our business. We've got Canva, taxes, the different CRMs, just on down to growing our business, social media and AI, podcast and books. I probably should add to this. I love books. All of these are focused on travel agents, except for the books. Those are more just motivational. I love just putting those in there. Understanding air, general TA events and FAMs. And then I break it into destinations. So if you are wanting to deep dive into a specific destination, I would love for you to go through and find one that is what you're looking for. Hopefully, it's in here. I do try to add to this as I think of things. But as you can see, there's different ones. And then at the very end of this board, I also start to add specialties. So if you are looking to go into accessible travel, we've got autism training, cruising, destination weddings, dietary needs, family travel, group, and wellness. And it's all organized for you in one spot. So, two things to make this board your own. You will need first your own Trello account, completely free. You just need to sign up with an email. And then once you have your own Trello account, you will then go to this link below for this actual board, and you're going to click on it, and it'll take you to this board. That's where you're going to hit create board from template. So once you do that, it'll pop up and ask you for a title. And I would maybe call this master copy, or you could insert your name into the title. You'll assign what workspace you want to send it to because now you're going to get it sent to your own workspace when we do this. And then once you hit create, it's going to take this exact same board and open it up in your own workspace. So if you were to add any additional things, now you can play around with it, right? All you have to do is open up a card and whatever website link you want to insert, you could. Not that you have to. Now, if you want to see if I've made any updates to this board, you would have to come back to the original link below and do the process over again. So this is my free gift to you. I hope it helps. And if it does, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel or following my Etsy shop, where I have Trello templates for travel advisors to help elevate their business. I will place all the links below, and please share this with a friend and enjoy the template.